Hi guys. So today I have. Hi guys. Hi. How are you? Nice to see you back. Hi. Hi guys. Nice to see you.
रेकॉर्ड झालं
ये क्या है ये बंदे मेरे को कैमरा का एडजस्टमेंट मेरा स्टैंड नहीं निकाला था. रेडी?
हा ठीक आहे
बंद झालं.
मस्त बंद झाला 3 केलं ना.
I've been doing Panchakarma for the last around 3 to 4 months and I was really tired, so I needed some time off for myself. So I left Rishikesh and I am started to travel in the Himalayas. You will be amazed to see where I am right now. It's a very beautiful place. Piyush has a nice drone, so we are going to fly the drone in the Himalayas. Let's see how it goes. This is the guy shooting the drone.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having a beautiful day today. We are on our way to Kedarnath, but we had to stop somewhere because of the rain, and luckily we found a beautiful spot to capture some moments. Check that out. How beautiful and serene it looks. You can see the Himalayan range behind me. And we got some chai too, so thanks to the people who live here.
नहीं वो दिन में एक बार अभी कैसे कैसे होता है उसको थोड़ा दवाई चल रही है
बीच में थोड़ा लेट हो गया आज दवाई लेने में लेट हो गया
ठीक हो जाएगा अरे नहीं नहीं बस बस बेटा आ जाओ हो गया अभी पहुंचेंगे
This was our trip at the end of 2020 lockdown, and we were 4 people who became friends as we were stuck in Rishikesh during the lockdown. We decided to visit our commonly revered and beloved deity Lord Shiva at Kedarnath. We decided to leave on our bikes on this wonderful and memorable trip ever. We stopped at this small village where the cloud formations were nothing short of a dream in reality. We decided to fly the drone at this wonderful place here, which you just saw a few moments back. After witnessing some heavenly drone shots, we left on our journey ahead with roads full of greenery, and we had beautiful evening clouds giving us company. As the lights went dim from day to night, the road did get a little scary, as we were the only ones on the road and the possibilities of landslide couldn't be ruled out. But we had no choice but to move further to our destination in Guptakashi. From now on, do not miss this beautiful and extraordinary experiences we had in the world trip of 22 days. Many more videos to come from now on. Stay tuned. Me, Shrijit, Naina and Arya, we welcome you to join us in this most delightful journey. See you in my